This is my Toyota Sera, and these stock struts are blown out. These are US available struts that are a little larger, but they are as close to the stock struts as I can find here in the United States. These struts are manufactured by Lift Support Systems, and the part number is Sera Tango 309 Papa 40. They are 40 pounds of lifting force apiece. I believe the stock ones are about 35 pounds. So I need to get this guy off down here. And because I am lazy and I don't want to take all this interior trim off, I'm going to place a drop cloth in here and get to drilling this out. Now you get to go to the hardware store, and because you're going to need 4 of these guys, and you get to find out if the people who work at your hardware store know shit from strawberries. If you want to harvest your existing ball studs out of your old struts, what you do is you drill down directly into the top, and what you're looking for is the little spring clip that exists inside of these things, and that's what you're going to cut out. And then this is like a really nasty way of doing it. You should really just go buy new ones. They are metric 8 with a thread pitch of 1.25. Here, learn from me. Get a magnet, if you have one, put it right underneath the bottom as you're drilling it out. You don't have so many metal shavings everywhere. When you're done, just take it with you. Okay, that's out, and then that's out. You're gonna need these. Washer and lock washer, hang on to them. Now this little mount down here has a little plastic guide for the pin that once went through it, but we don't need that anymore. Rah! Making a bigger mess. There we go. Now we've got a big hole. That's uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Looks like it's a whole lot of washer time. I forgot what this is for. I think this is off of a cheap bar end off of a motorcycle. But if I can cut this down, this fits right in the middle of that. It should be good. I just have to make a clean cut. There. Cut. Okay, so we don't have enough thread here for a lock washer, but what we do have is that spacer I made is aluminum and everything else is steel. So we're just gonna crank the ever-loving snot out of this and crush the aluminum in the middle. And I think this is a job for actual wrenches. You know what? Because I'm classy, we're gonna get the rattler on this. And because I'm a because I'm a oh really? There. Because I'm a oh, I better not have lost that. spend all that time grinding. There you are. I need you. I need you. I need you. And where did the... Oh boy, where did it go? Because I'm a professional, I'll be using nothing but the best GM schmutz to... Come on. Oh, I haven't used you in a while, have I? Am I gonna have to get the drill out again? Because I am a professional. We're using nothing but the... Oh, where'd it go? Is it in my pocket as I reach with my left hand? Yes, it is. Nothing but the best GM schmutz. Good enough for gaskets, good enough for this. Washer. The special spacer I made. Into the mountain bracket. Another washer. Lock washer. And where's the nut? Oh man, where'd it go? This is why I need one of those magnetic... Ooh, I think we may even get how many threads? 1, 2, 3? Oh, 3 threads? And look at that tolerance. That's amazing. Which now that I have it out, I should really clearance it again like 1/2 millimeter. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. More schmutz, more schmutz. Everybody likes it, everybody needs it. Here's another part that doesn't have the schmutz on it. Put the schmutz on every little thing. This motherfucker isn't gonna move at all. And lastly, gently put it on, and then and clean it up with nothing but the best bed sheet. Bring it on home. One there, and the next guy. Oh boy. Yeah, they're strong. And you, there we go. That kind of rises, I guess. Well, maybe they'll warm themselves up. It definitely opens the hatch just a little bit more, but I'm not... Well, it definitely wants to stay up. Okay, important question. Does it pop when I pop the trunk one? Here we go. No, it doesn't. All right, so what do we learn? These are 40 pounds. It certainly isn't hard to close at all. So the important thing is I'm not stressing the glass at all. So these are 40 pounds each. You may honestly be able to go to 50-pound struts. You know what? I should let these things warm up and maybe it'll be a little bit better. Anyway, so yes, you can replace the rear hatches with stuff you can buy in the United States and stuff that you found in your garage. Thank you.